Welcome to ESOLish, English for Work and Life. Let's learn vowels, consonants, and when to use a and an. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Out of 26 letters, 5 are called vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. The other 21 letters are called consonants. Consonants. We learn vowels and consonants to know when to use a or an. Use a before a consonant sound. For example, a book, a cat, a dog, a girl. Use an before a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an egg, an ice cream, an umbrella. Be careful, it's about sound, not just letters. The letter U sounds like Y in some words, so we use a. For example, a university, a uniform. The letter H is silent in some words, so we use an. For example, an hour, an honest person. Let's practice. Choose a or an. Banana. Yes, that's right. It's a banana. The second word is orange. Think about it, a or an. Well done, it's an orange. And finally, chair, our chair, or an chair. Yes, it's our chair. Great job. You did amazing. Now you know about consonants, vowels, and when to use a or an. Your turn now. Can you fill in the blanks? Use a or an. Write in the comments.